A, B, C, D, and E. The question is there, 15 marks from the university. BP in units, I'll write here fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. 3 hours of examination, you are supposed to only attempt 2 15 marks question. Hello everybody, a warm welcome to one and all. I'm Abhilash Chandra from the Department of Commerce and Management in Vidyashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. Welcome to all the students for the 9th session. Now in this 9th session, we're going to go and we're going to find out the marginal cost statement and what exactly we are supposed to do. I am giving you the 9th problem and hope that you people will actually finish all these problems very easily. Now we have A, B, C, D, and E. The question is there, 15 marks from the university. Now what exactly we are supposed to do? Understand the pattern here. The first one is the following data are extracted from the records of Azad Company Limited. So some company limited, we are supposed to go with it. Selling price per unit. See here, they have given per unit. If you understand, per unit, right? So selling price per unit is 48 and then 10 and 6. Totally we have 4 of the entries. Selling, direct material. Now direct material is 100% variable cost. Direct labor is also 100% variable cost. Variable overheads, they have only given variable. So it is again variable cost. The budgeted level. Now when I say budgeted level, that what exactly this budgeted level means? Now budgeted means the standard which is set by the company itself. So Azad Company Limited have given the level, that is the output and sale. That means here output is there, sales is there. For how much? 10,000 units. So they are producing 10,000 units, they are selling 10,000 units. The fixed cost is 1 lakh per annum. They have not given per unit, it is per annum total. From the following, calculate. The first one is marginal cost statement. So I told you about the statement. What exactly we are supposed to do? Sales minus variable cost is equal to fixed plus profit. This profit only we are supposed to find. That is what the statement is. So this fixed cost will come here. So the thing is S minus V minus F is equal to P. So this is what the format. First one, second and third one. So what is the marginal cost statement here? In the sense, we should go with sales, then minus variable cost. Whatever we get, that is called contribution. Then minus fixed cost, whatever you get here. See here. The last one, whatever you get, right? This is profit or the loss. So this format you are supposed to know, that is called marginal cost statement. Sales minus variable cost, that is what you get. Contribution minus fixed cost is your profit. So let's go with the marginal cost statement here. So solution here, first we'll write Azad Company Limited. Azad Company Limited marginal costing statement we'll write here. So first thing is, I'll draw here particulars. Here it is amount. Denote that in rupees. Denote it with rupees. Next here I'll write sales. Now what exactly the sales is? Now selling price into the output is your sales. So here selling price is 40. Output is, you have 10,000, so 40 into 10,000. I'll show it here. 40 into 10,000. So you get 4 lakh. 40 into 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here also 5 zeros, then 4. Sales is done. Next, what is that you should do is subtract the variable cost. Now there are how many variable costs? Understand the variable cost here. We have first, second and third. So you are supposed to go with these 3 properly. That is direct material, direct labor and variable overheads. So we'll write here direct material, direct labor, variable overheads. Write it completely when you write in your main examination. So here what happens is 10,000 is that you multiply it with per unit. That means 8 into 10,000. So here 8 into 10,000 is how much? Your 80,000. Next, DL, direct labor, how much it is? 10. 10 into 10,000. Whatever it is, you are supposed to multiply with the output. That is what the things are. Now here 10 into 10,000. So it is 1 lakh. Next is you have 6 into 10,000, that is 60,000. Done. So we are done with variable cost. Now you are supposed to calculate here. We'll put it here, and whatever you get, that is called contribution. Contribution. Done. Now 4 lakh. Now take your calci. We'll take our calci here. Minus 80 minus, we have minus 80 minus, then again minus. So we got 1,60,000 here. So how much is it? 1,60,000. So 1,60,000 is our contribution. After that, again you are supposed to go minus fixed cost. So what is our fixed cost? Here they have given. Let's check the fixed cost. Fixed cost is how much? 1 lakh per unit. Fixed cost is how much? 1 lakh per unit. So I'll deduct 1 lakh. Now what exactly the amount you get? 1,60,000 minus 1 lakh is 60,000. So this is your profit. This entire thing, what you go with, that is your marginal cost statement. So what exactly we have done here? 8 into 10,000. We'll write here 8 into 10,000. Here it is 10 into 10,000. If you need to understand, then it is 6 into 10,000. So this is what we have done. The entire statement, this is called marginal cost statement. So let's check here. Marginal cost statement is done. We are done with it. Next is what? PV ratio and margin of safety. Now we'll go with PV ratio. B. PV ratio is equal to C by S into 100. Now what is my contribution? Now we have only got it in our statement. Contribution is 1,60,000. So I'll write here 1,60,000 divided by, what is our sales? Here only the sales is given, that is 4 lakh. So we'll write here 4 lakh into 100. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. 1 here, 1 here. 4 ones are 4 fours are. 4 into 10 is 40. PV is always written in what? Percentage. So PV is equal to 40%. So I got my PV. So we are done with the second question, that is PV ratio. A third question is there. So we'll write here C. What is that they have asked us? They have asked us is what is MOS. Now here I'll write MOS is equal to. Now for that, what exactly you are supposed to do? Go with this Abhilash Chandra tricks. That is what? MOS. For MOS, the PV is in the denominator. And after O, what will come? P. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. After P in the sense what? Profit. So profit by PV. Profit by PV. The same way here also. Let's divide this. Okay. Here when we go with the question here, MOS is there, right? MOS, BEP in units and sales. Even these two also I'll tell you how to solve it. Right? When we go with these kind of a thing, understand, MOS is this, we are supposed to go with D. BEP is equal to, let's go with first sales we will go, then we will go with BEP in units is equal to. For all these, again same formula, that is Abhilash Chandra tricks. What exactly it is? BEP also you have something called PV is in the denominator. Which is in denominator? PV is in denominator. Now in the sales, here it is the middle alphabet is E. After E what will come? F. F means fixed cost. So I'll write here fixed cost is equal to. Now these things you are supposed to calculate very fast. Now MOS, profit by PV. What is the profit? In the marginal statement we have profit how much? 60,000. So here I'll write is equal to 60,000 divided by what is my PV? PV is 40%, right? 40%. So take your calci. 60,000 we got divided by 40%. So it is 1,50,000. So MOS is how much? MOS is equal to 1,50,000 rupees. Don't forget to write the word here rupees. Done. Now BEP, fixed cost. How much is our fixed cost? Understand the fixed cost here. 1 lakh is our fixed cost. How much? 1 lakh is the fixed cost. So we'll go with here 1 lakh divided by PV is how much? 40%. So is equal to how much it is? 1 lakh. You take your calci here. 1 lakh divided by 40%. 2,50,000 rupees. So here 2,50,000 rupees is what my BEP in sales. Now BEP units, what is the formula again? E is there. After E what will come? Fixed cost. So BEP in units, I'll write here fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. Fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. Whenever the unit comes, here unit should come, not PV. Fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. I'll show it here for you people. The BEP in units. Now BEP in units is equal to fixed cost. E is there. After EF, fixed cost, contribution per unit. Contribution per unit. Fixed cost is how much? 1 lakh divided by. How to find contribution per unit? See here, we have contribution is 1,60,000. But how many units? Here if you understand, units is 10,000. So divided by 10,000. So what exactly you get? That is contribution per unit. For 1 unit, how much? Example here, I'll just show you. I'll just erase everything here so that you will feel easy to understand. Contribution is equal to 1,60,000. How to find the contribution per unit? That means 1,60,000 divided by the units produced and sold. So here it is 10,000. So contribution per unit is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 16. So this is what your contribution is. Next we will write here divided by 16 is equal to. Now again take your calci. 1 lakh divided by 16. So 1 lakh divided by 16 is equal to 6250. That means 6,250 units. 6,250 units. This is what you are supposed to calculate. So hope you people are able to understand that what exactly we are supposed to go with. Now when you understand here, that is 2,50,000 rupees sales you are supposed to do. And how many units you are supposed to produce? You are supposed to produce 6,250 units. Only then you are in a place where we call it as neither loss nor profit. Hope you people are able to understand the MOS formula, the BEP in sales formula and BEP in units formula also. So let's go with the next one, and the next one here we have is the E question, that is profit when sales are 20 lakh. Here understand, profit when sales are 20 lakh rupees. Now this is what the question is, profit when sales are 20 lakh rupees. Now again for this, how is that you are supposed to do? Abhilash Chandra tricks, that is, we have a problem, we have the solution, PV is equal to F plus P divided by S. Now PV we already know. How much is the PV? 40% is equal to, fixed cost will never change, fixed cost is same in the problem, that is 1 lakh they have only given, plus profit I need to find, so it is P here, sales is 20 lakh. That means how much you will get profit if the sales is 20 lakh. 20 lakh will go here. That means here we have 20 lakh into 40% is equal to, we'll write the same here, 1 lakh plus profit. See, now you can actually take this 1 lakh here only and write minus 1 lakh. But let me go with a step. That is what will give you more marks here. So 22 forza is 8, in the sense you get 8 lakh here. 1 lakh will come, minus 1 lakh is equal to profit. So it is 7 lakh. 7 lakh rupees is equal to profit. So we are done with the entire problem. 15 marks within 15 minutes, max 20 minutes if you go with it. But I'll tell you here, take half an hour, no issues. Because in 3 hours of examination, you are supposed to only attempt 2 15 marks question. Half an hour if you take, 1 hour for 30 marks, 15 into 30 marks, 1 hour. Next what happens is, you are supposed to go with 3 10 marks question. Again take half an hour, no issues, or 20 minutes. This is how you are supposed to bridge yourself. This is how you are supposed to train yourself, and this is how you are supposed to practice. I'll tell you here, when you go with these questions, the minute you get a 15 marks question of marginal cost, if they ask you statement, if they give you 2-year sales, 2-year profit, never panic. 15 marks is in your pocket, not the chit. You know how exactly you are supposed to write it. Go on writing, and remember the Abhilash Chandra trick. For every problem, there is a solution. In the next session, I will come with one more topic that's all about the make or buy decision. It's a very interesting topic. Let's solve the university problem of make or buy decision. Until then, thank you so much. I'll see you when I see you.